This all started November 17th, 1976. It's just been a slow decline in what I could do with the knee. And it got to where there's areas that I like to go to for when I'm out in the mountains to look to see what's out there. And I just was getting to where I couldn't even do that. And it just wasn't working. So it was time. I saw no reason to go out of town for it with the doctors we have here. Our experiences over the last 50 to 60 years have always been good here. Came in for surgery. They replaced the knee completely, but he did reroute the tendons and stuff. I was there overnight, and out the door I went, and I did the therapy. I really thought the young man that helped me with therapy did a beautiful job. The surgery here at Sky Lakes was a big change in my life because I am able to walk again in a normal situation. Far more normal than I have probably been able to walk in 30 years. I can now easily go up and down the stairs without hanging onto the rail. I just feel a little bit more confident, a little more easier to get around and walk around. I'm not fighting the pain all the time. We're going to be out in the mountains more. We've been married just over 60 years. It's just a life-changing experience for me. Everything we've had done here at Sky Lakes has worked very well for us.